the combination of the three wrathful deities, which is actually this initiation is the initiation of the body, speech, mind of all Buddhas and Bodhisattva. And so, like three deities, like first the deity of the Garuda, and the Garuda is the embodiment of all Buddhas' aspect of the body, and then second one is the Hayagirva, which is the aspect of the speech, and then Vajrapani, which is the embodiment of all Buddhas in mind. And so basically, you're taking these three deities initiation, and this initiation is, of course, it's good for actually for the liberation, but particularly nowadays the time is like Kali Yoga, and so there are so many different kinds of sickness which you cannot cure. So this kind of disease is only can be cured through the certain practice of deities. So this is actually one of the main deities. It's and then there are a number of people now they get also sickness of mentally. So this is all those things. This initiation is very good. So now I'm going to start this initiation, and then you all just like normal way that you through the acknowledging that, and you should take the initiation. Can you tell them a little bit quiet? Nga do we gandar sim je dam je ke wa la je ba she chung mi ge la je ba che mo we ting wo par sum je pa lo de je dam je zhone na jo nam kha dar we me dam je lo bur do je je dong ar je zo do we gandar la be khan de ni tu je nyu je chen la la bur je je tu do to je we wang tu ba ta je me cha da da nga da bo zam je jang du dang bar je dam je je me zo je ngo do to bur zo na kang de song wa so mo chen la wang gur sa mo to je nyam so la wa pen some ne ba me ma go je de da wang gur sa mo je ba la lo ben je ja wa na wang du song se ne lo ma ja ra nam je wang gur do je ba do ma wang gur sa mo je me de men ro bo wa ra jo sa shi bu ju ju je men da me je ne da Lama dan ye dan la be la ta me de ben dun bo dan je da wang gur ju we dun do so wan de ban de ye je dun du tu sum san ye ham je tang ban den la me ka den ji da la cho wu yal bo yi wang dan je na za do so tu sum san ye ham je tang ban den la me ka den ji da la cho wu yal bo yi wang dan je na za do so tu sum san ye ham je tang ban den la me ka den ji da la cho wu yal bo yi wang dan je nang sa do so je ra nam je ju do bra ja we je do jap sun ro wa ngon do ro we jan ju ju do sim je be le de ye je do ju gun chu sum la da ja che de ba tham je so so ro sha ro we ge la je rang san je chang chup yi je sung san je chö dang so cho la chang chu par tu gyab su che rang shen te ni rab zhub chir chang chu sem ne ye bar ye chang chup cho ke sem ne ye ye ne sim jen tham je da ke zhen du nier chang chu zhe cho yi wong jie bar di zhou la pen chir san jie zhu bar shu zhou la pen chir san jie zhu bar shu zhou la pen chir san jie zhu bar shu wo yin ben za ai me re da ye gun zha le ha na我们我们说吧，我觉得做我的嘛，说吧，我觉得黄，我给新个别等多些让老妈那他滚的多少多些，这个的那个的罗这少我给赚多了，稍微到不滚多听小姐这什么周东，茶叶南着多些叫人怎么一些叫就。原本定做给老师对着姐姐过了做小年多的这个，本嘛你们定那年都个了知道那边一些三宝当人嘛了都有相争不着，这就我们把时间把的都做所谓结果。我们搞不人把俺们不都个了慌，现在不是准备讲究张路这边嘛，问给小爷。康巴生情节怎么了？说把那一些好久送节顾家家送儿的都超人家那么靠我不有说把的了看，全呢看让那么天白也没说就是别没把。三大段这一切小穷做都咱们过了也没在过，所以自己弄给我这点儿都结钱了，过去一些做不是干的，还有给我个人那红白，你讲那二位下呀，没在办，还有给我个人那红白，讲那二位下呀。 Dora jiwa be yishi ba tada dembara chebe me bandu de chon ben zara de chon ben zara de chon ben zara de wang ge xin ge bang wen de zong ne dong ma ngui xie wang gu ba ne ge lo ben je tu ga ne we shi zhe wang ge ha ren a jian de 同别王国的外面吧，王人间澎湃下也刚难多周教了左右，谁也不了王国的过夜王就多不来说，我们这边的海洋给王国的那后边，高呀二百跟着我们这边的海洋给王国，高呀二百跟着我们让咱们这边多多这对别上啊关键专项多，王家当这样中国的那一些他就。 过夜着一些说的，过夜望到绿叶那东西，一些好久送的故宫把它望。过夜间呢，也俺老板当中一些都管的，我这天上能的小都，土个考啊工吧，考出没把钱了，俺的一些都子，我们本着半年，还有个哇，个如那烘焙，我们本着半年。 하얀 기르와 가루나 홍패 온벤자 빠니 하얀 기르와 가루나 홍바제 성도 던전 절라 이제 자존 바라와이 링어 도보메 바예 송게 왕구로도 바라쇼 온벤자 빠니 하얀 기와 가루나 홍배 我个二百根子啊，咱们家为土豆鸡腿呗，上网滚钱转账多结账，往前等着养整个转，一些好酒送给这一些酒的送给王多，我今天这些，俺到我了王送给结束那我也我本当对姐姐都干的，长春这家让他们的宁可的，土姐王多呗没帮助。 帮把钱出都接着，早点想些着我也没有了长征都接，当年多接往多过着，我们这边的还应该往个着那红白，直到二百跟着我们这边的还应该往个着那，直到二百跟着我，让咱们家外多多接对白，上个关键专项多些，往前当着扬中个着那一些老酒。 土姐找一些说的，土姐王多，一了那边那顿他们这些都是他们等于真公报了我土姐些那演到，他的都没搞过完的，那么的你了，的你把了上面他们都搞当真，就小军上面等给下了，各局就老么party下了，一他们给老子我给下了，他们就叫为什么天上他们这些我的兄弟说我其他的吧，前两个说他们这做我的工些。 多那边的下野去也也多没我把些罗个上面到我等的家军，多多多我没被忘过说，今天的多些相见不上到相当多些那就是嘛多。本地的多些等把老师的上面就把那么去过，那往大爷中国多些全部出国被满足了。 看着一些作家这顿教堂这些的老师的他们就被那么的把那么先进了就报了上面都不，往前当真嘛不切中一些切中你们好多能见多些那么的呢，往过完这都是我们这边的，还有一个往个人呢我们还要我个子的，把人的二百跟着嘛，反正还有一个往个人呢我们还要我个子的，把人的二百跟着嘛。 我们这边呢，还有个王哥呢，我们看呀，我个是巴林岛别跟着嘛，还有个王哥呢，我们看呀，我个是 Balinda Bekenda Mamomeda Bana Hayanga Wangaruna Wome. Kaya Waka Tidam Balinda Abekenda Nam. Omeda Bana Hayanga Wangaruna Wome Kaya Waka Tidam Bana. Abekenda Omsetina. Omeda Bana Hayanga Wangaruna Wome Kaya Waka Tidam Balinda Abekenda Nam. Chiribe. Omeda Bana Hayanga Wangaruna Wome. Togzitana. Omeda Bana Hayanga Wangaruna Wome. Kaya Waka Tidam Bana. Bedabane, Hayanga Wangarano, Megaya Wagazda, Megano, Hayanga Wangarano, Kaya Wagazda, Obeganda, Tanam, Budu, June, Geranam, Latimbe, Geranam, Jedung, Hayesum, Dan, Habela, Josum, Jekusun, Imijeba, George, Yambe, Mebadu. Gary Donda Jeju Wada, Mendene, Gendan Jawad, Tumbra Trubje Bosum, Soldier, Pay, Toshi, Tejan, Tender de Nega, Sunyang, Gajan, Dodashi, Tujin Zeda, Bandura Jeba, Chushi, Jebe Roda, Hinji, Sambe, Gundru Beda, Loja, Sushim, Sunja, Tongwanda. Serene Deji Buzum Zo Tikwa Chola Gebran Junjur Tashi Tejan Dendra Dele Jo Dara Daja Chungsum Jido Dreva Wanguru Samo Legra Doba Yimbe Tine Sunde Samji Sunyan Ben De Je Zu Chedar Dazal Ba Teda Tamje Da Ge Wanguru Legra Dobe Kujin Dara Ge Yondan Lar Yang Laju Gushi Nyugodan Shu Long Shu Yundo Mide Menjambo Wara Shu Okay, for now, for the actually request of the Kamanganji Center here, I'm just going to give this oral transmission of 16 Kamapa Guru Yoga. And I think as far as the explanation concerned, since it's quite late tonight, and so maybe you can get instruction from, Drupan, which is since he's coming tomorrow, so you can have instruction from him. And then after that, and then this lung of that purification of 3 vows, I'm going to give you. Karma Bajano Given Rosso, Kanyami Jinji, Tomenesa, the Dompaja, Kunda Truba, Kamera, Shin Gunjarang, Shebrasho, Lume, Molam Jazo, Kozenshi, Yene Chanju, Jazo, Yong, Ojan, Oje Jazo, Toraja, Koe Jazo, Tunu, Tony Tuji, Jabdo, and the Majalam, Onjo Chidara, the Tadun Devo, Mosani, Pushelame, Compagno, Lama Dozens, Chembola, Chojona, Juba, Sanjila, and Sembo Tamjeda. Kendu Zumbanam Dalo Gonzo, Dami, the Java, Toma Mevana, Tamata Dalo Toga, Yomo Mandashada, Shadan, the Timuki, Ludagan, Yijikon, Digwa Miguel, Jujiba, the Summer Bangajeba, Machiba, Najeba, Tedanya, Najeba, Soso Temple, Tombadanga, Wajeba, Chanjusem, the Habadanga, Wajeba, Sangaji, Zidanga, Waji, Ujosum, never Jeba, the Tambi, Chipomba, the public in the Nagua, Padamala, Maguba Jeba, Camboda, Lovilla, Maguba Jeba, Rosa, Matumba, Chibana. Maguba Jibala Zubendona Tore, Dandarbekiz, Jujo, and Yazunga, Juvenia, but the Suez of Chichiba, the Lama Dojins, but Chembola Zube, Chutuna, Juba, Sanjay, and December. Genuzumbanam Jen, General Tolo, Shazo, Mijaba, Mevedo, Toshishana. Not the water never knew them, Matorji, Mashana, Teta, Domenjurwala, so. Dara Mendro Mazo Lulon Burnian Bende, Tene, Zamde, Latin Tub, Kela, Dane, Bulla Na, Keje, Homer, Sunwa Tang, Chaye Jani, Jedo. Oh, yeah, 저는 듣게 해주다. 근데 다 다른데, 당연한 클론기 감각이 추도래. 근데 마체 베게다, 만나도 이게 바두바하, 그 추도금이 근데 상만랜도 근데 가장에 랍주 총만 손스. 근데 얘나양 다 다른 또다 만나도 이신업의 양식이 코르티, 근데 걔는 내주 근데 거의 유지래. 근데 내중원에 대해 다 가장 스도롬비치 샤마롬비치 스도롬비치 게서롬비치 하나 상만 좀네 근데 처리 된도 샤가체 근데 하장게 샬세보다 된도 야구시라 요레스 하고서 근데 된데스 인도 다 근데 이신노베 양식의 요고 땡가난조 다 된점바리 추진님한테 요고 샤르름바리 근데 된데스 인도 때잖아도 상마타 로망보다 tenen jendo ki rawa chenpo yore tenen siyende ta hajange tusu nyebore tenen te yende ta zo ke cheshu de karagogo yore sna ngaran zo changmege ta yishin no be yansi nyordu chembala tenen te kapsola tenen sosu ki ta padola nyamne tenzo yaguche tenen chozo tenzo yade yago tenzo yongege kyan zo cheyade ke chembores ani kyan zo sanyi yansi ki chindon te teni ta tando ta khase gore capsula tene kiran sangma yon tumna shira ya gures tindung capsula kiran sangma yon tumna shira ya gore ina ya lamsan yungu ma res tuzu yungu re ani kiran tul tradik da aran kokop yungu res.
So the Senate says that now he's finishing his visit here in Nuang, and also many of you from Bharat are here, and he would like to say a few words on the regulation of His Holiness Gautama. This year in May, the Senate Rinpoche together with Shama Rinpoche, Siddha Rinpoche, and Gyatso Rinpoche, they all opened the letter of His Holiness Gautama, and the information in the letter is very clear, and therefore it will not take so long before we can also meet His Holiness again, and before the Dharma sun will shine again. And now here in your centers you have all been waiting for this time for many years, and the best thing you can do to so that this will happen quickly is that you do your practice as well as you can, and that you work for the centers, that you make the center flourish.
Ani kiran zu tangma tamzi tsangma yaguchi.
And also it is important that you keep very clean, you can say, connection, like that your commitment, that your connection with each other will be pure, that you are not, that you stay in harmony. And there will be the internalization of His Holiness, but it will not be so quickly. But
enthronement.
Enthronement. What can I say?
What?
And since it is good for you to come, then you can prepare already now, because it won't be that quickly, so you still have time to prepare to go there.
Yeah. Actually, His Holiness will be very soon to his seat in Rumtek Monastery, and then that people can come to see him. And then I understand from many of your members that a lot of people are expecting His Holiness enthronement will be next year. And I don't think, enthronement will that soon, because we need a lot of preparations, and also, and at that time, actually we are trying to organize that all the disciples of His Holiness or in this lineage can come to his enthronement, so that way from all over the world. So that's why we would like to announce at least ahead of the year, so that way everybody can take leave or make money, and that so you can come really, because and this occasion is very special and unique, because this happens only once a lifetime. And so I don't think anybody here, I'm talking about in this, hall or whatever, so we may not able to see the 18th Karmapa, So only chance we can see the enthronement is the 17th Karmapa. So that's why I'm encouraging you, everybody, when enthronement, and you must try to make, that you can make a visit. I'm sorry, my English is getting really worse and worse. All right, thank you very much. And then the reason that there will be, what I've said just now, it's a little bit will take time, means right now the letter of His Holiness actually only right now we have seen by just 3 Rinpoches and myself. And the reason we didn't announce that letter and then also shown to the other, because now we have to look for His Holiness according to His instruction, and which is there won't be any problem. But since the people make a lot of rumors and exaggerations, even before we open the letter, there are already rumors everywhere. His Holiness born there and there. There's a lot of things, which is okay. I mean, actually, it's a very good sign. So this time, what we thought is that now, since we have seen the letter, and we're going to find His Holiness, then after that, and we have to also tell all the Rinpoches in our lineage about to show His Holiness letter, and with what we found His Holiness. So they had to also satisfied with that. Then after that, and once we confirmed with our own lineage masters, then we have, since His Holiness is not just ordinary small Rinpoche or small Lama, He is the supreme leader of our lineage. So we have to inform the different other religious leaders, such as His Holiness Dalai Lamas and His Holiness Sajja Trinzens, and then His Holiness whoever the head of the Nyingma lineage. We have to inform them. And then after that, and then there will be ceremony, special ceremony, it's traditional way that we have to offer the robe, and then at the same time, offering the name of His Holiness Karmapa. So that time there will be big ceremony. So if you can make it, this will be announced. If you can make it, will be very good. Then after that, and then it will be very soon, you will know the time of the enthronement. So this is what's really just now happening. And then I think your question is about cutting hair. I think will happen before that sometime. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Sebe sole dora shu jambula pavu jetora kemba kundo teyan deshende da kunje jeso gewan da tamje rabdo ngo sanje kusum nyebe chena chenye menjuru dembe chena kende me chendumbe chena Owa Malando Barajo Tashi Bambaran Zamne Gen Hare Öje Yul Kawa Tenje Sharshosu Churjuje Demba